Oh my God.
Welcome to another episode of The Dashboard.
On today's episode, Ryan's going to teach me how to do an oil change on my car.
Okay, Leah, learning time. Step one,
Is
pop the hood. Did it. Okay, let's set up the hoist.
okay.
So these hoist arms, swing one out front, one in the back.
Shouldn't have worn white shoes.
Nope. Okay, get down there. Now down here, look for the two indents on the pinch weld. Hey, now let's go under the hood. There's a little lever you have to pull.
It's hot.
Should be in the middle.
You can pull it.
You'd probably go to the side.
What? Actually, oh, that?
Yay!
Oh, it's hot.
Now look for the prop rod.
This?
Yep. It should pull up
Ouch.
and it goes somewhere in the hood. Should be
Okay.
marked. Yep. Okay. Quick quiz. Remember for the end. Engine. Oil fill plug.
That?
Yep. Oil dipstick. Coolant reservoir. It's usually yellow or the same color of the coolant. Over here, washer fluid. That discolored thing that should be black is a belt. We have coolant hose. And on this side, there'll be one at the bottom. Battery. Engine intake. Air filter goes in there. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. First step, we want to pull the oil cap so that the oil drains nicely.
Touch.
Yes.
Is it?
It'll be a little warm. And it'll say numbers and letters on it. What does it say?
SAE OW-20.
Yes. So 0W20.
Okay. That's the kind of oil?
Yes.
Okay. This?
The engine air filter box, the engine intake. We want to open it up and see what the filter's like.
How?
Don't pull too far because
Okay.
there'll be wires. And pull that filter thing out. How's it look on the other side? Clean.
It's got a leaf.
Yeah.
Can I pull that out?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a bug? I don't know. Great. Good. Put it back.
Yep.
Does it matter which way it goes?
Probably not. So that intake box, there'll be two tabs at the back. Make sure it slides into the tabs.
That.
I don't know.
And then like that.
Probably. Good job.
Where to click?
Now push that handle.
This one?
Yeah. Did it. Okay, now we're gonna drain the oil and change the oil filter. So, in true Mighty Mods fashion, here's the tools you're gonna need. Oil filter wrench and a ratchet or a wrench with the right socket. Good to go.
That way?
Other way.
That way? No, not that way. That way?
Yep.
No, it's not doing anything.
So as soon as it starts to turn the oil filter, you can just do it by hand.
Oh, like that.
Yay! And then as soon as it's loose enough, you can stop using the wrench and just use your hand.
No, not yet.
Did you do it?
Yay!
Okay, so this is our oil filter. So in there is some sort of paper or fiber material that they use to filter the oil, and it goes through and then runs back through the engine.
Just put it in?
Sort of. Grab a fingertip of oil from the old filter and just lubricate that gasket. So it threads back on that post that that other one threaded off.
Got it.
So get it so it's tight, like hand tight, and then go like a quarter of a turn.
Less or more?
More. Yeah.
Okay, that's as good as I can do.
Now we're gonna do the engine oil drain plug. So we have to decipher what is engine and what is transmission. That is our engine oil pan, and that is our engine oil drain plug.
That?
That thing.
Do I do it? Do I turn it myself?
Yeah.
That?
So grab the ratchet.
This?
Yep.
Take
And-
this off?
Yep.
Easy. Is that right? Take that off?
Put that socket on it.
Which socket?
The one on this side.
This?
Yep.
On there?
Yep. The other way.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
On there?
Now put it on there,
Okay.
and you'll need both hands. Just crack it loose, and then we'll have to move the engine oil pan.
Oh my god! Oh, gross. Right there?
Do you want to attempt to try and not get your hand all soaked, or do you want to watch the master?
I want to watch the master.
Okay. Now that I said that, I'm gonna frickin' pour oil everywhere. Did it.
Nice. Yep.
Okay, so start with that engine oil drain plug and just thread it in by hand all the way. Always important to check the gasket on it as well. We did, and this one is good.
Now this?
Is it all the way tight?
Well, as much as my hand
By
can
hand?
do. Yeah.
Yep. So now get this thing out of here.
Oh, no, not like that. Can I, wait, what?
So now have you got it on tight?
What?
The ratchet? Have you got it from tighten to loosen?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what?
On the end of this thing?
Yeah.
Turn the knob on the back. It's like a little triangle thingy.
Yep.
Turn it.
Turn it. Okay.
And now when you turn it, does it, when you turn the ratchet, does it tighten? Yeah, nice.
Okay.
So now you want to do like a quarter turn. There.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember when the fill cap is?
This cap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna fill it.
Okay.
So, and pour very slowly.
Oh my god, I'm so weak. My arm is shaking.
Okay, so we just added just about 4 liters of oil. Should take between 4 and 4.5. So now we're gonna start it, let it run for 10 seconds, get the oil through the engine, and then we're gonna turn it off, check it again, top up the oil as needed. When you check the engine oil, you want the car to be level. So you're gonna pull the dipstick out, clean it off with the rag. Don't turn, just pull.
Oh. Really? Clean it all the way?
Yeah.
Did I do that?
No. Okay, throw it back in there. Push it down all the way. Leave it in there for a couple seconds and then pull it out. And now we'll see what it's at. Nope. Now it'll tell us what we're at here. There we go. So it's just kind of past the low mark there. So we want to add a tiny bit more and then we'll be good. You did that. You did your own oil change.
I'm happy.
Okay. Quiz time. So, engine. Next one. Battery. Yep. Washer fluid. Coolant reservoir. The belts.
That one. It's
Yeah.
red, not black.
Change. Coolant hoses.
Those?
No.
Those. No. Those.
Down at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's one right there, and there's one on the bottom on this side. You can only see the one side. We'll give you a yes. One I didn't go over for bonus points. The radiator. Do you know where it is?
Is it on the left? Is it on this half?
Yes.
It is?
But that's a trick question.
Is it all underneath?
Yeah.
Here?
Yep.
Fan? Is that what that means?
The fans are typically attached to the radiator.
Ding, ding, ding.
Then there. We'll give you a
Sure.
bonus. Oil cap. And the dipstick.
Just kidding.
Oh.
There.
Didn't. Perfect score.
Almost.
Ta-da! We did that! Oil change complete. If you have any questions about anything we kind of skipped over or didn't really go over, just leave us a comment below.
Yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you learned something new today, because I know I did.
I think you did great.
Bye.
Sort of. Grab a fingertip of oil from the old filter and just lubricate that gasket.
Like around there.
Super controversial. Controversial?
What?
Again, you can pick up any sort of tire pressure gauge at any local hardware store or anything like that. Oh, don't hold the handle in.
What?
It'll get there eventually. Yep. Oh, put it together and then let go of the collar.
Nope.
Yeah.
You got chocolate on my sleeve.
Bye.
Use that again.
Yeah.
I don't think say